Hey babe, I got you a new wig. Check it out.
Are you joking me?
I'm serious. It's a new wig.
Baby, are you joking me? It's a
Nah,
prank.
check it out. It's a whole new wig inside this box.
Baby! Oh my god, this box! Baby, look! Baby, you got me a red wig?
Yeah, girl, and it's long, so I can pull it. Better
Shut
have that
up!
thing secured.
Shut up! Oh my god, it's so long! This is a bonnet! Oh my god, this is so cool!
It's a hair bag, so you can keep your hair up nicely.
This is stand clear remover and glue. That's so cool. So cool. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute. Where do you get all of this from?
I got it from my cousin Yanning. She has her own hair care line, and she wanted to give you one of her fresh wigs.
Oh my god, thank you, Yanni!
What about me?
What about you?
Aren't you gonna thank me too?
Where's my ring?